What's the meaning of authoritative? Authoritative. Authoritative.
Authoritative. Authoritative. The term authoritative refers to something or someone that is considered to be reliable, accurate, and trustworthy. An authoritative source of information is one that has a high degree of credibility due to expertise, experience, or reputation. Such sources are often used to support claims or arguments in academic, journalistic, or legal contexts. In general language, an authoritative personality is someone who can command respect and obedience due to their knowledge, experience, or status. Being authoritative can convey a sense of legitimacy and power, but it also requires responsibility and accountability.